topic?
No, only random topic because last 15 days I was very busy. So now I'm not prepared for better way. So that's why we will conversation normal topic like normal.
So, first of all, very good morning. And how are you?
I'm also fine and happy new year also.
Yes, same here. Happy New Year to you too. And may God bless, make your wish come true in this year. Whatever you have desire, you just achieve your desire. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for
Mm.
so
So, how has your day started?
today.
Today.
Just because today just wake up after before maybe to 1 hour. So
Oh, it's
and
quite late.
last night I can't sleep. So I wake up very late.
So, how's your celebrated 31st December?
Yeah, actually, I'm joined, Institute for Learning English. It means speaking English, spoken for spoken English. So last 15 days, last 15 and maybe 16 days, I was very busy because in every year, which whose student, very fluent and very good in English. So there there is a student of the year in this institute. So I was host this award ceremony, so I was very busy. But now I'm free, like in upcoming months. So I will free.
Okay, that's good. We can introduce ourselves first and then after move forward this conversation. Yeah, you
Yes,
can
yes,
start.
yes, yes. Basically, my name is Renu, but basically I belong from Haryana. But right now I'm living in Gurugram, Sector 9. As far as my qualification concern is, I have done my post graduation with geography subject from Mirpur University. And if you talk about my aim, so I wanna be a teacher. And my hobbies are listening music sometime and play badminton, and sometime cooking food, something new recipe. So it's my hobbies. And I am married and I have one son. It means mother of one son.
Okay, that's good. Like we both are the same. I'm also homemaker and I'm a mother of one son. Yes.
Okay, so that's why you are very busy.
Yeah, I'm very busy because I live in joint family, so here I have lots of work.
I also live in joint family. I also
That's
live
why I have
in.
much time. But yeah, let it be. Everything is fine. We are just doing practice. This is the main part. Yeah.
Okay, so would you tell me about yourself?
Yes. So I'm Komal Hirani. I live in Gujarat state in Rajkot city. I born and brought up here in Rajkot. And apart from that, I'm homemaker, mother of one son. I have completed Master of Commerce in accountancy. And yes, simultaneously, I'm running a YouTube channel. If I talk about my hobbies, so I love cooking, painting, drawing, listening music a lot. So yeah, many more things I have. But uh, nowadays, I want to just learn English language. I want to enhance my speaking language. So whenever I'm free, I just try to focus on my English. I'm not doing any other things in my free time period.
So what do
Yes,
you do
because
for your
homemaker,
learning?
the housewife, as a
Mm-hmm.
mother, we have lots of work. So if we try to focus on our abilities, our skills, like other skills, drawing and painting, so I think we can't get a time our to learn English language, to spend with them, our family members, many.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a things we are a little bit occupied with
Can
our family
understand.
members,
I
our
can
work.
understand. I also mother of son, and I also live in joint family, so I can understand better than. So,
So after son came, then after I have been busy. Otherwise, before, like after marriage and before my son, I'm I can say I was literally free. Okay, but when my son born, then after like last 3 years, I have been busy. I can't say like whenever I don't know at what time I will be free. It's not fixed for me. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. I understand. I can understand. So, how is your old your son? How is old your
My
son?
3 years old, 3 years old.
Okay, okay, okay,
What about
okay.
you? What son?
My son is
Yes.
6 year old. 6 year old.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
I'm studying in first class.
Okay. My son
Yeah,
is going goes to play school. Yeah.
yeah, but he's living in village with grandmother and grandfather. He's not living with me because yeah, because I also told you I'm living in joint family. So one before 1 year, I decided I will go to Gurugram for studying for preparation exams. So that's why I came last year in Gurugram for
So,
studying.
so how's the difficult for live without when you decided like I want to live here and he will live with your with their grandparents. So it is very difficult decision.
Oh, maybe it's the first person I connected. I understand my feelings and understand it's my situations, what I feel every day and every moment, and every night. I actually I everybody asked me for me this question, this type of question. So I get emotional. So a lot of time I ignoring this types of question because I also a lot of emotions for. So that's why. And last night same happened with me. Like I'm missing so much to my son, so I can't sleep without. And like I thought I should go not. So it's you also mother, so you can understand better.
After a couple of years, you start your journey again, and now it's time to spend with your son.
Yeah, it means last 1 year. It's very difficult actually for me, and when I decided I will go, and it's like that time I remember till I remember actually I can't sleep whole night. It means I can't sleep when I decided I will go tomorrow. So I can't sleep like not only one night, 2 and 3 night also. So it's very difficult, but I think if I do anything, so for only my son, for in his better future. So that's why. And I always
Every
thought if I
can
will do anything, if I will do anything for me and for his life, so it's better in future. And that's why it's only one reason. And I can't live without my son because he's my life, he's everything. But
I live with my son like last 3 years, okay. But whenever I have to go outside, like half day, sometimes I have other work. So that day he was busy with he was uh, their grandparents, and when I reached my home, that was a feeling amazing for me because when I saw his face, oh my god, the expression, the happiness of his face, it's too much. And that time I realized how much he is important for me and how much I important for him. Because motherhood is very precious time, their childhood time memories, it's very
because because I am living that time actually now I'm living in a village, so there is no facility a lot of for English for institutions that types of it means. So that's why it's my compulsion. I had to come in in Gurugram. So that's why otherwise why I am I am came in
okay.
uh
So
in,
what your husband, what he is doing?
now I preparing for like teaching exam like net stat वगैरह वगैरह. So but now my focus only on my English. So maybe maybe after 1 month I will go to my son
Okay.
for my son. Yeah, it means village. And let's see actually I also don't know what happened, but maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Mm.
happened like in our life, it's not specific whatever we decide, but it's not happen with us. So
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, by God grace, whatever we have to just enjoy. In future, let's see what happen. We are ready
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
situation.
yeah, I learned a
Yes.
lot of things within 1 year. Whenever I came in Gurugram, and uh, a lot of things I learned. So it's better
Okay.
for me also and my son also. So it means after 1 month I will go. I decide I decided, but what happened actually? We don't say anything. What will we do and what will we do not? So only on depend on time. What happened with that situation that time? So
Okay. No worries. Be happy for every situation. Don't worry. Just try to focus on your exam, and then after you will get result, and then after you will achieve everything in your life. Yeah.
last 4 month and last fifth month I started my English journey, and I thought I should learn English. So last 4 month, 4 and 5th month, I learned
You join
English.
the institute to learn English language.
Yeah, for only for spoken, because there is no environment around me. So that's why I joined in. I thought I should go where there is an environment for spoken English, and we conversation each other. So there is a lot of student for conversation. So easily we can converse
So
conversation.
they should, they tutor give all of you a particular topic or how you can discuss, how you can speak.
No random topic, like we conversation is we conversation random topic, like now you and me. So it's not
Okay.
fixed topic. Sometime fixed topic, but not a lot of time.
So they try to more focus on a grammar part or on a speaking part.
Both are, but more
Uh,
spoken English.
Spoken
Both are
English.
both are weak, so I focus on both are.
Okay, okay. So, like, are you using any other application which is free to talk?
Oh, no.
See,
I
Open Talk,
I
Close
watched,
Talk.
yeah, I watched your video on YouTube channel. So let's see, I found, and watch. Oh, okay, so it's email ID, and I can email
Thank
to
you
you. So
for you mailing me, and right now we are connecting. And
yeah,
here, like, if you want to join any WhatsApp group, so I have a female group where we
okay,
can, whenever we just drop a message and we connect for audio call and
okay.
yeah, we
Yeah,
do
yeah, sure,
practice.
sure. Yeah, sure, please. Thank you for asking me.
Already told me I have no environment. That's why I joined an institute. So I think it is good for you.
Okay, okay. So how I can join?
Yeah, you can send me your number and I will add it on that group.
So
Yeah,
I will
because all
I
of
will
the
send.
females, no issues
Yes,
for, yeah, and we can easily convince our message because yeah, most probably most of our homemaker, yeah, some
yeah, yeah.
person are working. Yeah.
Okay. So it means my New Year start is very good things. Actually, I last
Yeah.
last 1 month I thought, what will I do for better my spoken English, and a lot of things in my come in my mind. So what I will do. So it means
So
it's very
I so group. I am doing practice, but what happened? I have not too much time of to learn English. Like in my mind, so many things. I have to read book. I have to write. I have
same
I
same.
have some notes, so I have to go through that notes every day. But I'm not getting too much time. So this is the big problem. But you live in alone, so I think you have much time. So you just utilize your time, and within short time period will be fluent.
Yeah. So I will send my number on email ID to you.
Yeah. Otherwise, in Skype, yeah, whatever
Okay,
you
okay.
like.
Okay, definitely. So I will send my
To
number.
know what are the activities you or in order to learn this language you are doing every day.
Last, yeah, sometime I watched video on YouTube channel, and sometime I read novels, and newspaper also. Sometime.
Okay. So you started your journey 4 months ago. So
Yes, yes.
that time, how was you able to speak English
No,
language and what's the
that time
difference?
actually, literally that time I can't able to, speak only one sentence in English.
Hmm.
When I started, when I joined, institutions, so that time I'm not able to speak only one sentence. It means one word, like how are you? Okay, and after that, anybody ask me another question, so I feel very nervous and very
Also, like you, I can't ever
yeah,
say feelings towards any other person. Now
yeah. Only
we are lacking, we are fumbling, but we are, proud of ourselves. Like we can easily convince our message. So this is the things that we improved. And yeah, many more things in our pocket list we have to learn.
yes, yes.
Yes. So just we like, so what is your resolution for this year, for this new year?
I will decided. It means I decided in within 1 year. Within 1 year, I focused only on my English, and I want to command on over my English. So that's one thing. Matlab, that's first priority for me right now. And second, I will join any school, and any school, and it means I want to earn money.
Yeah, you want to become independent woman, same as me. Like I want to become independent. Let's see in this year. Yeah.
Okay, so
And
what will you do in this year?
I'm not doing like before marriage. I used to do in a banking sector job, and apart from that, I'm taking a classes like tuition classes. But after marriage, when my master completed, I got married, and yeah, after that, I took classes of banking sector, government sector. I want to become a government, banker. So I joined a classes for banking exam, but I appeared 4 or 5 times, but I haven't clear. And after that, the pandemic time came. I got pregnant, my pregnancy, and so like every plan has left.
And left, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So till now, I'm just a homemaker. I'm not doing anything. But yes, if I can say, like homemaker is also doing, job. We can say,
So
but
yeah,
we are not getting money. This is the point. We are not getting too much respect from other person as
same,
a
same,
working.
same.
Yeah.
Same with
Not
happened
any
with
chance
me. Hmm.
to, particular focus on my future. I haven't do anything. Just finished my master and I got married. So on my shoulder lots of responsibilities. So I couldn't be able to, focus on my
Hmm.
career. So a big regret in my life.
Same here. Same here. Same also with me.
But
Yeah,
right
it's a
now
part of life
we are
actually. It's
getting.
all.
Hmm.
Yes, I'm.
Yeah, I
Continue.
want to say like if I whenever I say my husband like I want to do these things, I want to do, but he always deny me because it is too much late for me. If we want to start, so it's not too much late. But I live in joint family, so my obligation is too much. So that's why I couldn't able to focus on my career part. And
Yeah,
if
but
we decide this year I want to do, it's not happen this year, next year. The year is going where, slowly, slowly, and we are little bit older
I
and
can
older.
understand. Yeah, I
Yeah,
can understand better. Other than
yes.
I
Okay,
also suffering
we will
this
connect.
time.
Like, if you want to join our group, so definitely we will connect on an audio call. Right now, I have to go to pick up my son. So,
Okay,
like,
okay, okay.
left.
No issue. Okay, okay. No issue, no issue.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
given me your precious time. Have a great day.
Thank you so much and Happy New Year to all of you
Same.
and your
Okay.
family. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.